Thank you. Good boy. He stays inside and throw all his, well, most of his balls outside, so he's picking them up, bringing them back to mama. Thank you. You're cleaning up after yourself. Good boy. The last one. Yay! Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Hi guys.
We are on the road. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is bright and sunny outside, but it's chilly. Don't you guys just love when it's fall and winter? I don't know about you, but I love fall and winter. Why? I get to dress up in all these cool outfits. I also love summer, but sometimes it just gets too hot. I love fall because I also get to cuddle more. I also get to cuddle more and snuggle in all those blankets and all those warm things. Say hello, Tyler. Say hello. Say hi. Hi. Alright, you guys, there you have it. You got a big one this morning. So like I said, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It doesn't matter how you're feeling today. It doesn't matter what you're going through. Put a big bright smile on your face and drop that mic and get on with your day, okay? Because we're getting on with ours. We're actually heading to the supermarket right now because, as you guys know, we got back yesterday and we like to leave our fridge empty, our house empty per se, because we like fresh things. I guess everybody likes fresh things, right? So we're just running to the store to get some stock. However, the fact that we're moving in a few weeks, I don't want to get too much things. I rather to go to the supermarket every week and get fresh things instead of stocking up with all these things that I really don't want to move with. So I'm just getting what I need right now and not getting too much things. So yeah, that's what's up right now. And babe is going to the
Spa.
Babe is heading to the spa after because he has been working so hard lately and his entire body has been aching. As a matter of fact, this spa appointment was supposed to be mine because he got me a spa treatment last year for anniversary, but I already went and I had some cash that needs to be used and that we're moving, we really needs to use it, so it's a good time. And we really haven't been feeling well. It's supposed to be my appointment, like I said, but I tell him, listen, you needs to go because he really needs the treatment. He really needs to take care of himself. And he's always spending time taking care of me and sending me to the spa, giving me massages and all those things. So now I think it's his time. So he's just gonna go to the spa after and relax a bit and get a full body massage. Hopefully when he gets back home he's feeling a little bit better than he went. So yeah, we're just gonna run in the store real quick and get some stuff. I'm rambling. I'm gonna run into the store real quick, get some stuff, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You're so pleasant today. What's going on? Bye-bye. Tell me if he's not the cutest. Say hello. Say hi, guys. You little pacifier face. Passy face. You saying hello? That's what you say, hello? He's saying hello, you guys. It is officially cold here in France. the lighting is terrible because it's a little bit dark. If you can see, I'm in jacket and boots and all that because I am cold. We're actually just taking a little afternoon walk, but at the same time hubby is on his way home from work. He doesn't know that we're coming, but I guess we'll see him along the way. I think we should be seeing him in a minute. We're supposed to be going to the fruits and vegetables supermarket when he gets home, but hopefully gets home in time. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, a wonderful day. And can we just take a moment and send up prayers for Haiti for the hurricane, because it is so sad. It is so sad to know that Haiti is going through all these hurricanes year after year after year. Jamaica is pretty lucky this time around to be spared. They should be thankful. We all should be thankful. But yeah, I don't think Haiti can really take anything else. It's already so hard. They haven't even recovered from the earthquake, the last bad earthquake that they got. So that's not easy on them. Yeah, but like I said, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Keep Haiti and Cuba in your prayers. Hurricane has actually passed Jamaica, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so we're just gonna head to the supermarket in a bit, and we'll catch you guys later. You guys, this is so funny. I saw hubby coming, so I decided to just hide him in a corner and just frighten him when he reached close to me. Let me see if this prank will work. He doesn't have a clue that I'm here. Gonna frighten Papa. Gonna frighten Papa. Come in.
Je te rappelle. Ouais, je te rappelle. Bisous à toi.
I got you. Tyler, I got him. I got him. Who is that? Who is that? That's Papa? That's Papa? Papa? You guys, he was on his phone, so I didn't catch him the way I want to catch him. He was surprised, but you were surprised to see me?
Yes, I was. Yes. Yeah, just and because you were on the light and you were not, couldn't see you properly, so I said, huh? Who's this person coming to me like this? And then I saw you smile and I said, oh no.
Oh my god.
But because I was on the phone, I couldn't came at you.
I'm sure if he wasn't on the phone, he would have a heart attack. Oh my god, that was so funny. I think we have a little time, so we're just gonna walk to the fruits and vegetable supermarket and try to pick up some stuff and get back before my little king falls asleep in the stroller, because his bedtime is at 8 and it's almost 7. Well, it's actually 6:30. Yeah. So I hope he doesn't fall asleep in the stroller. No.
Just gonna make sure that when I drive him.
Papa wanna drive you and shake you up, Tyler? So yeah, you guys, we're heading to the supermarket, so we'll catch you guys later. Get it, kick it to mama. Papa, kick it to mama. Come, Tyler, come. Kick it like this. Come. Go get the ball. Get it. Come. Come. Get the ball. Get the ball. Go get the ball. Thank you. Good boy. He stays inside and throws all his, well, most of his balls outside, so he's picking them up, bringing them back to mama. Oh, this is not the ball, but thank you. Thank you. Go and get the others. Go and get the others. Smart boy, he's taking 2 at a time. Come on, come on, come baby. Thank you. Uh-oh, this one fell. Sorry. Thank you. 3 more to go. Oh, you're carrying 1 this time? Thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you. You're cleaning up after yourself. Good boy. The last one. Yay! Thank you. Good boy. Oh, you want to take this one in all by yourself? Let mommy help you in. Oh, you don't want me to help you? Good boy. Put it in. Okay then. You're gonna do it all over again. But Tyler, if you do that, you're gonna have to do the same thing all over again. Hi you guys, so we got home from the store and Tyler is off to bed. And sorry I didn't get to show you the little stuff that we bought at the fruits and vegetable store. So if you have watched this far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below so we can always have a chit chat. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye guys.